Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to solve this lab. First of all, login your credentials, open Cloud Shell, continue. These command link I provided in description box. Copy this command and paste it in Cloud Shell and press enter. For this line, press Y and enter. And back to the lab and check my progress until task number 4 and task number 5. Back to the lab and wait for completing this command. After completing, back to the lab and check my progress in task number 5 and then simply end this lab.